Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for April 6, 2026, Part 1. Today's theme is Spring. The Spring Book by Todd Parr. Wake up! Spring is coming! Yawn! Yawn! I'm hungry. Every day the weather is different. Rainy, snowy, windy, sunny. Trees are blooming. Everything is turning green. And change is in the air. Spring is here. The birds are singing. Babies are being born. We are cleaning out our closets and planting gardens. Everyone is sneezing. Achoo! Spring is the time of year to learn new things. Okay, well then, I'm going to stop writing this book, and I'm going to open my first restaurant, Taco Todd's. The end. Love, Todd. Surprise! April Fools! Don't worry, this story is not over yet. Spring is a time to dance in the rain. Celebrate traditions with family and friends. Play hide and seek. And love the earth. Spring is a time for festivals. Eating fresh fruits and vegetables. Having picnics. Hugging moms on Mother's Day and every day. And honoring heroes. Now go roll down some hills. Happy spring. Spring is a time of year to celebrate special holidays and discover all the beautiful things on the earth. The end. Love, Todd. The end. We're going to make a bird nest foam sign, and your Craft Go kit comes from Oriental Trading. It includes instructions, which you'll want to refer to. It shows you how to assemble, but we'll do that together. You have a little tree. You have this little adhesive. It's sticky on both sides, double-sided adhesive. You have two blue pom-poms, which are going to be the birds. You have colorful leaves, which will punch out. A cord so that the sign hangs. Oh, that got bent. Okay. Let's see here. A happy spring sign. A little beak, which needs to be punched out. And two double-sided adhesive circles for the birds. You've got 4 little dots for the eyes, which need to be punched out. That's going to be a little tricky. And you've got this paper so that you can make a nest. So the first thing we're going to do is tie the string on. We're just going to put it through the holes and put 2 little knots. So going from front to back, put 1 knot here. And 1 through here. Tie the knot. So now you can hang up the sign like that. Okay. It says the next thing we're gonna do is take the one side of the half circle and we're gonna put we're gonna crinkle up the paper onto the sticky to make a nest. And it just, you can do this however you'd like. I'm just gonna crinkle them up and stick them on. But they made the adhesive brown so that if some of it shows through, it doesn't matter, it still looks like nest. We got a 3D effect going on there. Okay. And then we take this and we adhere it to the tree like this. Then we take and attach the faces to the pom-poms. So I'm gonna punch out the little triangles for the beaks and the little tiny circles for the, oops, this one came off, so I'm gonna stick it right on. It looks like it'll be easier to just stick them right on the pom-pom. Oops. There we go. There's one birdie. And this one didn't come off. There's one eye. Two eyes. And the beak. We're going to use the double-sided adhesive dots. Oops. Having all sorts of troubles today, aren't I? We got it, we got it. Stick one there. You see? Stick one there. And we gotta peel off the papers and stick on the birds. So there's one bird. And we got two blue birds in the nest. The next thing we're gonna do is attach the leaves. So we'll punch those out and put those on. And these are different sizes, so I guess they go in different places. If you look at the paper that I stapled onto the Craft to Go kits, it shows you which color goes where. So, but I don't think it really matters. Put a pink one here. Nope, that's not what the picture shows. Sorry. Pink one here. That fits better. This one is yellow. I'm sorry, I'm looking at it upside down. So, sorry, I have a cold. It's a little backwards to me. Yellow. Blue. Blue goes here. this little green guy. Put him right here. Careful you don't stick it to the table. Little pink one. Cord's getting in the way. And finally, the last yellow. The last thing we'll do is stick on the happy spring sign. We'll put it where you can see it below the nest. That part of the nest stuck to it. See if we can jam it up there, and that's all there is to it. There's your sign, your two happy bluebirds and their nest.